Hi, it's Richard here from the OPA Hub website with part 4 in our What's New in the February 2017 release of Oracle Policy Automation video series. In this short episode, we're going to look at two enhancements to the Data tab. I'm going to switch first to the Data tab, and you can see that I have three entities: the global entity, one created entity, and one created entity that is inferred, as we saw in chapter 1 of this series. Now, the other feature I wanted to show you is that, like many other places within Oracle Policy Modeling, you can now right-click and receive a pop-up window similar to ones you see elsewhere, which will tell you where it is collected, a direct shortcut to edit it. But in the case of my inferred entity, for example, I can also see the rules that use the entity to, and this is the infer instance rule that I showed you in episode 1. The second thing I want to show you is the export button. When I click the export button, I can export my model to a CSV file, which is extremely useful. And I have a summary here, and at the background you can see that I have in my desktop I have the model itself. I'll edit it in Notepad++, and then I'll resize the window so you can see it. So I have my attribute text, entity, name, and so on, and all the other variable pieces of text and so on. And I also have the model entity CSV file, which includes information about the specific entity called the write-off, whether it is inferable, and so on. Now, this in itself might not seem very interesting, but the ability to extract this and then use it, for example, in another tool to re-visualize it, much in the same way of the old visualization tools we had in version 10, is very exciting. I should also mention that this functionality is also available through the command line, so you can generate these files through a script. That's it for part 4. See you soon again for part 5.